In today's video, we are going to cover how to add multiple collaborators to an Airtable base. Start by opening the Airtable base where you want to add collaborators. Make sure you are in the correct base before continuing, especially if you manage more than one workspace or have several bases with similar names. Once the base is open, look to the upper right corner of the screen and find the Share button. Click Share to open the invitation window where collaborator access is managed. In that window, move to the field for inviting people and begin entering the email addresses of the collaborators you want to add. If you are adding more than one person, type an email address, then press Enter to add it to the list before entering the next one. You can also separate multiple email addresses with commas if that fits your workflow better. As you add each address, check that each one appears correctly in the invitation list before moving on. That helps avoid sending an invitation to the wrong contact or leaving one address incomplete. After the email addresses are in place, open the permission dropdown to choose the access level you want these collaborators to receive. Airtable gives you several role options, and the one you choose determines what each person can do inside the base. Creator access allows someone to fully configure the base, including automations and interfaces. Editor access allows someone to add, edit, and delete records and views, but not configure the base or interfaces. Commenter access allows someone to view records and leave comments. Read-only access limits them to viewing records without making changes. Take a moment here to select a role that matches how each collaborator will use the base. If everyone being invited should receive the same permission level, choose that role before sending the invitations. If you need to adjust access later, Airtable allows you to return to the share settings and update a role or remove access when needed. Before sending the invite, you can add a message for your collaborators if you want to include a short note. You can also leave Notify People enabled if you want Airtable to send them an email notification about the invitation. If you prefer not to send that notification right away, review that setting before you continue. When everything looks correct, click Invite to send the invitations. Once the invited collaborators accept, they will be able to access the base with the permissions you assigned in the Share window. You can come back to these same share settings at any time to review who has access and make changes if needed. Your Airtable base now has multiple collaborators invited with the permission levels you selected.